Hey Tube, this is iPawedHelp and
Jailbroken iPods only.
right now we're going to be showing you how to make your iPod screen go on your computer by using type veency and then veency. You have to have it your iPod jailbroken, and this is only for Windows that we know, so we don't know the Mac version. So what you're going to want to do is type in type veency on Google and then open up the second link here. It should say download type veency, typeveency.com/download.php. Alright, so then you're going to want to scroll down here. And then right here, self-installing package for Windows. You're going to hit download. And then run it and then save it to your desktop. I'm not going to do that right now. Alright, now you're going to want to go into Manage, Sources, Edit, Add, Cydia, .myrepo space .com/rats96/ then you're gonna add that source, but I already have it, so I'm not gonna add it because I don't know what it'll do. So cancel for me, add for you. So I'm done. So once you do that, you're gonna want to go to search and then search veency, veency. Sorry, I spelled it wrong. If you have the first one, then you're gonna have to uninstall that. Otherwise, it will not work. You have to get the second one. So you go on this and then hit modify, then remove. Then you're gonna want to install this one, veency fixed. But since I already have that, I'm not gonna be doing that. So once you do that, you go into settings. Then you go down to veency, and then make sure it's enabled. If it's not enabled, then you have to enable it, and then bring your iPod. So once you do that, you open up type veency, and then you're gonna have to enter your IP address, which you can find settings, Wi-Fi. And then it should say your IP address right over here. But I don't want to show mine because somebody can hack me and I don't want that. So then once you enter that, you'll get your iPod screen if you did it correctly. But that's it. So thank you for watching. This is iPawedHelp and jailbreak iPods only. Bye.